Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below, and also their website. So check back on both sites for different deals they got. We got Prime Day deals, Father's Day deals going on now. So all you gotta do is click my link down below, check it out, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this. Coming from BosMiller. Thank you guys for sending me this package for a review. And here we go. Let me sign them. Ooh, they got leather. Alright. We'll be right back. Oh boy, here we go. We got a big one, guys. This is going to be a nice one. We got here an office chair. Should be easy put together. This could hold up to 500 pounds. So, this is a biggie. Definitely heavy. You might want to have two people help you set it up, but I'm going to do it by myself. So that's why I'm going to put you guys on pause. Alright guys, got everything out of the box. Look at these handles. Kind of looks like the gun from Halo. Look at that. Crazy pattern. That's just there we go. Bubble wrap. But yeah, these are super dope. I'm definitely excited to try this out. Now here's where you sit down in. Look at that. Got a diamond cut all the way up. Oh yeah, this is going to be a nice one. And of course, got all the pieces here. Got the wheels and all that good stuff there. The bottom, I just got to put the wheels on. Then put it on the ground. Then put this on right there. And then a few minutes later, hook that up. And it'll be good to go. Be right back. Alright guys, before I put the wheels on, look how well made these are. Really nice. These are going to be gliding everywhere. Look at that. So you get those wrapped up. You got the pump. And you got the screws and the Allen wrench. And then this is the main one for the cushion part. For your tush, you know. So all you got to do is pop this in to the hole right there. And then lay that, flip it over. Make sure the wheels are up. And then put the pump in, then install with this onto the back seat of the cushion, and then also the final part would be putting the backrest onto it. So really cool, but I'm liking these wheels. Remind me of like rollerblades. I never did it, but it really reminds me of, and especially how it feels. It feels really nice. Got the bling. Alright, be back. Alright, YouTubers, here we go. The BosMiller office furniture computer chair. Now, this is a chair, guys. I've been sitting on it for a few hours now. Super comfy. I could definitely fall asleep on this. Got extra wide padding. Really comfy. Excellent design. Everything's put together smoothly. And we got the covers all covered up. And those wheels. And that. We got the resistance. But look at the stitching, guys. This is definitely the one to get for your Father's Day gifts. Check them out, guys. I mean, really happy with this chair. This is the only gaming chair I'm going to need. Or a computer chair. And thank you guys at BosMiller for sending me this unit. But amazing stuff, guys. And you can recline it back. All that good stuff. But excellent made. Super comfy. It's like a bed. Almost, But look at that. Extra wide. For any big guy, this is a perfect one to get. Up to 500 pounds. So, There you go, YouTubers. Check them out. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night.